All right, so for those of you that are new to my class, I want to explain your assignment, okay? So let me explain your assignment. What you're opening is a Google slideshow, and this is an independent way for you to go through and get your science notes, okay? So the first one's just a title slide. It tells you it's about mixtures. Slide 2 is your note page, okay? You're going to be filling out slides 2 and 3. Now, the way you fill this out is you go through slides 4 through 15, okay? And that's going to give you the information to fill out slides 2 and 3. Okay, we're doing the same thing in class. They're writing it down on paper. They're filling out the exact same form as you. They're just doing it on paper, and they're seeing this on the big screen at the front of the room. So make sure you read the directions. The directions here tell you to, as you go through the slides, fill in the blanks. For the table, drag and drop check marks over the boxes that show a characteristic that mixture 1 and mixture 2 have in common. Okay, so what we do is we can kind of look through this. Now you can't fill it out without going through the slides. Slide 3 also, this is an I learned page. So this is after you complete your notes page and read all the slides where you respond to this. Okay, so you can't do it until you go through. So if we start with slide 4, this is an intro to mixtures, and you have to read it. A mixture is a combination of 2 or more substances. What mixtures do you see below? So what out of all these is a combination of 2 or more substances? This is a mixture, and notice that word is bolded there, okay? Now, right here it says go to notes. If you click there, it'll pull that up and you can go back to your slide 2 where your notes are. And right here it says a blank is a combination of 2 or more substances. Well, we just read on slide 4, a mixture is a combination of 2 or more substances. So you're going to type where it says type here, you'll click there and you'll type in, you'll have to backspace out the type here, and you would type in mixtures. A mixture is a combination of 2 or more substances. Okay, so there's your answer to the very first one. And you're kind of thinking about this. You don't literally have to answer this, but you're thinking, what mixtures do you see below? Combination of 2 or more substances. Well, pretty much everything there is a combination of 2 or more substances. So if we go to the next slide, some mixtures are solutions. A solution is a special kind of mixture in which all parts are evenly mixed and look the same. What solutions do you see below? Okay, so again, go to notes. Takes you to slide 2, or you can just click over here back to slide 2. Blank is a special kind of mixture in which all parts are evenly mixed and look the same. Okay, well that answer was just there on that slide. If you need to go back and look at it, you can, and then you fill it in here. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll drag and drop these check marks to fill the rest of this in. Okay, so the way that you do that is you go back and you go through each slide. You're going to read slide 6. It's going to tell you about comparing and contrasting mixtures and solutions. Okay, it's going to help you answer these questions. So make sure you're reading it, because then you're going to have to compare. You need to read slide 6 and 7 so you know how to compare on slide 8, 9, 10, okay, and so forth. All right, so the rest of that is going to help you fill in this right here. So you're comparing seeds and fruit salad. So you check off what they have in common. The ingredients have the same physical state, can be separated using the same method, or both solutions or not solutions. So if you go back through here, the mixture of seeds contains solids only, can be separated using your fingers, and is not a solution. Right here, are these 3 things also true about the fruit salad? And basically, guys, all you're having to do is go through and read the information, and then you go, it tells you the answers on the slides, okay? And then you go to your notes and you fill that information in, okay? So you do have to read, just like you would in the classroom. You're going to have to read it, and then you fill it out. And you're going to do that same thing as you go through the whole slideshow. So you're going to compare the seeds in fruit salad and check off the correct ones. And then you're going to compare the seeds in tea and check off the correct ones. And again, the answers are in here for you. And then you're going to compare the powdered paint mix in water and the powdered drink mix in water and check off the correct ones. After you've gone through the whole slideshow, you've answered all your questions. Then you're going to go back to slide 3, and it says, after you complete your notes page and read all slides, respond to the prompts on this slide. It's a combination of 2 or more substances. Substances are evenly mixed, and then this is what are a combination of 2 or more substances, and the substances are evenly mixed, okay? So what do you notice about this Venn diagram? What's not over here? Is there anything over here that's not also over here in this part? And then you're going to make a list of 5 important things to remember about mixtures. Okay, so you just tell me what you notice, and then you're going to write down 5 important things to remember about mixtures. If you can't remember 5 important things, go back through. It tells you right here several things. As you go through, it tells you different things about mixtures. Okay, so the answers are all in here for you. You just have to find them and then type them in. Okay. All right, if you have any questions or don't understand what to do or are completely lost or something, please let me know through email. Okay, email is the best way to contact me. Anyways, have a great day, and I'm happy that you're in my class.